If recently you are easily get tired or exhausted due to your work or your business, too much of the chaos thing happen, or right now you're seeking for your wealth opportunity or career advancement, they will have a power hour on 1st April 2023 to manifest for your clarity, gaining you the insight and always have a creative solution to allow you to solve your current situations, and no matter what happen, you always can see the great opportunity happen to you. This hour also very good to cleanse and clear your worry. The hour starting from the 9 a.m. until 10:59 a.m. based on your local time, and your nose is facing east. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Should you need a consultation about your business, career advancement or relationship, feel free to contact me via from the TikTok, Facebook or YouTube. I am also having a live stream workshop on 29 April 2023, which is a Desire Manifestation virtual workshop. The detailed link information is provided under this comment below. And don't forget to like and follow me for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.